House 208. It's for the Fight Club boxing scene where Booth takes on Monroe in a big battle. So we're looking for boos and reactions and crowds. So Empire Wrestling, Jesse Hernandez, let's hang out here to get close to the crowds. Check, check. Check, 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 check. Check, check. Check, check, check. Okay. We're going to go to the far side. We're going to walk around. Okay. You know where the four corners?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go to the right. You go to the left. You put the mics facing the audience.
Okay.
And tilt up slightly. Okay.
Tilt up. Okay.
Yep.
Yes? What should we do? What do you want to do? I have a little suggestion here. On the 10th, you and him wrestle each other, and you wear your little skimpy outfit here, and I want you on a diaper.
We got really good wrestling sounds with medium distant, medium close crowds. Matt hits from under there. There's no wrestling. It's a great opportunity to get wrestling. And the crowd is really rambunctious and they're kicking ass. So it's a lot of fun too.
I'm still in the car. Yeah. I'll take the car.
You think I gotta go this thing?
Right. You gotta get still in front of the camera. Ready? Yeah. How do you dress when you take the car? I know.